and welcome to my channel SquareFace Cooks. Following on from my last video, today I am making this pumpkin soup. It's super delicious, great as a starter or for lunch. To start with, cut the pumpkin in half and scoop out the seeds. Don't throw them away as we will be using them later. Then cut into quarters and remove where the stalk has been. Then peel to remove the skin. Once peeled, cut into rough-sized pieces. You don't have to be exact as we will be blitzing this later. Peel and roughly chop both of the onions. Now for the cooking. In a large pot on a medium heat, add the oil and allow to get hot. Add in the onions and fry for 5 to 6 minutes. Next, add in the chopped pumpkin and fry for a further 8 to 10 minutes, stirring occasionally. Once that's done, add in the chicken stock and bring to the boil. Season with salt and pepper, then turn the heat down and simmer for 10 minutes with the lid on. The chicken stock that I have used is homemade, and that video is on my channel, which I have linked in the description, so please go take a look. After 10 minutes, check that the pumpkin is cooked, then add the cream and slowly bring it back to a boil. Once boiling, turn off the heat and allow to cool. Once cool enough, put in a blender and blitz until smooth. You could also do this with a hand blender. Now back to the seeds. Put them in a bowl of water and remove all the orange parts. Then lay them on some kitchen towel to dry. Once dry, put on a baking tray with grease-proof paper. Drizzle with olive oil and a little salt and bake in a preheated oven for 10 minutes on 200 Celsius or 180 Celsius fan. Once cooled, store in an airtight jar. Pumpkin seeds are rich in protein, unsaturated fatty acids, vitamins and minerals, so are a great healthy snack. Serve the soup and garnish with a few of the seeds and a drizzle of cream and enjoy. If you liked this video, please hit the like button, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe. It's free and you will be notified of all my video uploads. As always, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.